Welcome back to another video, guys. In this video I'll be making my famous fried chicken, and I'll also be cleaning out my oven. I'm cleaning my oven first and getting that all straightened out and have a nice clean oven before I start cooking. How often do you guys clean your oven? For me, it depends how dirty it gets and what I have cooked on it or spilled on it. It depends. So here's the before. Now let's get this done. So as I'm cleaning, I'm actually rinsing off the sponges that I'm using. I find the hardest part to cleaning of the oven for me is the racks. And here's the after. And the dirty water. So I took the racks downstairs in my basement and I cleaned them down there because it gets so messy. I take the foil paper out because when I cover with foil, it prevents a lot of spillage and seeping underneath the top of the hood range here. And I noticed it wasn't clean. So I went ahead and sprayed it and tried to get all that gunk off. And after about 30 minutes, I go ahead and I wipe it down. Some parts came off and some parts didn't. So I went ahead and used a barbecue scraper and tried to get as much off as I could. And here I washed the burners with soap and water, and here's the after. So now let's get started with the fried chicken. I blend up 2 eggs and scotch bonnet peppers. This will be the wet seasonings instead of buttermilk. I also season the chicken with the same seasoning as the flour right here. You want to mix around your seasoning to make sure that it's evenly incorporated. Then you want to take the blended mixture and pour it over the chicken. You can let that sit and marinate for about 30 minutes. If you don't want it to be too hot, you can cook it right away. Obviously, the longer you let it sit, the hotter it's going to be. Now, after it's been sitting for a bit, you want to coat the chicken in that flour mixture And here I am, I heated up my pot and I'm waiting for it to be hot enough to add the chicken. Now our oil is hot, we can go ahead and add the chicken. A medium heat is good, not too high because you don't want the pieces to burn. So right after I take this out, it's nice and golden brown. And you want to make sure you check for any chicken bits that are still in the pot, because if you don't take these out, the chicken will burn. Now here's the other batch that's going in. And it's all done. It was so delicious. Try the recipe and leave a comment and let me know how it turned out. Please subscribe, comment, like, and share. Thank you so much for stopping by.